A producer is a living thing that can produce or make its own food. Humans, for example, are not producers. We have to either grow our own food or go to the shops and buy it. A plant, however, is a producer and, using a few things, can produce its own food. They use the sun's energy, water, carbon dioxide in the air, and convert this to energy in a process known as photosynthesis. After sunlight, producers always start or begin a food chain. Lettuce, for example, makes its own food. Then things like slugs come along and eat it, and then chickens, for example, come along and eat the slugs. A sunflower is another example of a producer, producing its own food through photosynthesis. Sunflower seeds can then be eaten by mice, and then mice are in turn eaten by things like owls. Another producer found across the world is grass. Grass starts many food chains. For example, grass might be eaten by grasshoppers, and in turn grasshoppers might be eaten by hawks. Another producer starting a food chain.